Hi, I'm Santina from WTI. I have here this absolutely gorgeous olive wood chess set from BeldiNest. One thing I love is just how beautiful the wood is. So you can see here the wood grain. You can also see these knots. It's rustic and beautiful. You can really enjoy the look of it. I think it's great to play on, but also wherever you end up storing it, it can really be used as a decorative piece as well, which is a really nice feature. The other thing I really like is that it comes with these drawers on the side, so they really look like they fit in as part of the design. The board itself is a little bit raised on these feet, and the drawers open so you can store all of your pieces. So you're not gonna have to worry about losing your pieces, but the drawers are incorporated as really a beautiful part of the design. So I just think this is gorgeous. I think you're gonna love it as a game and also as a beautiful decorative piece in your home. And that's my point of view.